Go where?
Let's go buy lemon. I need my coffee.
I'm going now.
Every time I tell him, my lemon finished, and then I have to wait for 2 days, then he go get to me for me. Everything I need is always slow. So if I want today, I have to tell him like 3-4 days before. And he locked me in the car. I have to stay in the car by myself now with the camera. Ta tôi vừa em manh nào nhau chế to của tôi gì cái thứ hai người ta nó nọ đấy nhỏ tôi vừa nó trên trái virus corona thì nhau chế to của tôi husband cái camera nó lo chả nháo luôn đi thiệt hai chuyện này chỉ có nhiều bự ta chỉ sợ lo uống coffee hậu để chỉ mua manaw để khi manaw need vitamin C.
A few moments later.
Were you talking at all the whole time? Or
Don't
not?
know, just talk
Yeah.
to camera a little bit because I'm crazy. I can talk by myself.
Test.
I just gossip about you when you go by. Like
Gossip?
talk like.
It doesn't matter. I'll find out anyway once I put the little card in.
But I speak in Hmong. How you know?
I'll translate.
They don't have Google Translate in Hmong language because you cannot writing. You pay someone to translate.
Make sure you get the frame.
Doesn't matter.
It does. You got to practice.
We're not going to use this one.
I might use some.
But I wear this.
So
Funny. I wear pajamas.
everyday life. Right?
Okay. Everyday life. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Ooh, this camera heavy. Ooh. So we home now. Just go get lemon and come back home for make a coffee.
What are you doing?
I check my eyes. Look, when I do too much makeup, I have infection on my eyes easy. That's why I don't like to do makeup that much. Or when I use the face eyelash, is the glue make my eyes
Ow.
maybe have infection so much. That's why I'm checking. Maybe I'll stop using the fake eyelash. Just put a little bit makeup better. If I do too much, then I'm not good. My makeup is very cheap makeup. Just do a little bit.
Who's on the phone?
My sister,
No.
they go to cut the bamboo. They do a garden for grow vegetable to eat because now coronavirus. So they have to make their own food to eat.
Cái gì rồi đâu?
Rồi đâu nè?พี่ฉีดรูปแป้ง
I'll leave you to it.
Miss Tin no?
What's that?
What? This? I use a cheap makeup too.
From where? 7-Eleven?
7-Eleven from Thailand, misting, but it's good. It's better than this one. But this one 30.
Where'd you get that one from?
When I don't know, from here.
L'Oreal.
But I like this brand more. Yay! 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 Oh, you still on your spine. I'll see you again. Oh, Daddy. Mom?
Running away.
Where are you going? Dancing. Little spot. A spot.
Why are you running away? Naughty boy. Is that acceptable? Look. No. Not acceptable. You having fun?
What?
You having fun, or is it editing stressful?
I'm having fun to watch myself.
Of course. You just can sit down and watch yourself.
Yes.
Good job.
Why are you dancing?
Tap dancing.
No hand. No, not do like this. Dee-da-dee.
Yeah, in your way, am I? You enjoying this too?
Want some? Nó thế này sáng coi sao mày hết thế mà. This rose when you buy for me is pink and now it's red color.
It's okay.
When you buy for Valentine, now it's red.
There's no pink ones.
So it's the same one you buy, and then they small and they come two in one pot, and then now a girl they bigger and they change color to red.
But no pink yet.
Huh?
No pink grey yet.
No, they change color. When you buy for me Valentine Day it's pink, and now change color, and so many flower, but it's so windy and the flower heavy, so they look like this. When you buy for me it's just this short, and then now many flower, and come with two little tree, one here, one over there. Where are you? Where are the question?
If you remember some questions.
I remember they asked you how old are you and were you working?
Yep, 34. I'm 165 centimeters, 79 kilos. Serbian background. I am Australian
Okay.
because I'm a citizen. That's the only citizenship I have.
And how long you work from home?
How long?
Yes.
Many years. I don't remember that when I first started.
Okay.
Maybe way before I met you.
And,
I know. Yeah, 3-4 years.
and they asked how we talking when we first meet. We
I thought
speak
you already answered that in the last video.
No,
didn't?
I didn't. I just say how we talking. I say we chat on we chat on WhatsApp.
Yep.
Yeah, but they still don't understand. They think you know some Thai or you can speak Hmong or I can speak
No,
English.
your English
like
was
that.
good enough, but messaging was always harder. When we actually video call, that was much easier. It's easier to understand that way. I think maybe, I don't know. I'm trying to remember how different it was before to now.
I don't know too.
I know it's definitely easier, but I just don't remember the difference from when we first start to now. I just slowly got better. You're 5 foot, you're 152 centimeters.
Okay.
28 or 27?
So maybe I have to
28.
I have to translate to Hmong too. Some Hmong people they don't understand if you just keep talking English.
Okay.
So how are you again? 32.
Yep. Go, you translate.
Nãy giờ nếu mua ai bây giờ ở xong là chị
Max.
nếu ở hậu lử IT à nếu ở hậu lử hậu chế tao à tự nhiên nó mua cầu được xong ạ nếu cũng giờ tao ấy nếu bị ở hậu lử xong từ đó xem mà này là cũng được cũng giờ nó mua cầu cầu được xong cho lử xong nó so nếu là hải ninh kia giờ hải ninh Serbia ạ để xem mà nếu nó gì là tôi cho tới chờ Australia nó là chơi nếu yêu nhau tới chờ Australia nó chơi nếu giờ Australia citizen đó là đi background ấy là đi lợi giờ hải ninh Australia rồi giờ đi bé mong này bé mong chơi yêu giờ mong tới xem mà yêu nhau lúc tới chờ tới chơi yêu tua họ sẵn sàng tới chơi yêu giờ hải ninh đỡ lên đó nè là nung của để của xe đi chơi để của xe ít bộ chỉ cho centimeter. Oh my god. Chỉ là chi phí cú mua nên có ý xong rồi ạ. Thì giá trị thiệt. Ước sĩ thả đi ra thôi, nhiều sĩ bảo rồi. Thằng đó chơi ước sĩ thả lumika rồi họ thì cũng chỉ cái hành thiệt,但是嘛，古英đó nữa thả lumika tao thiệt rồi họ thì yêu英sĩ Google Translate thiệt，古英nhìn nhật cái lumika đó cũng khen chơi. Yêu英bảo sau có yêu đó nữa thả tao thiệt xong đỡ ý là sĩ xong đỡ họ WhatsApp rồi giờ thì xài luôn không chỉ là sĩ送ข้อความnè thì cũng yên sơ hay bên chơi liên đỡ rồi thì yên sĩ thảo luôn cả thầu bí thì rong đồ là yêu luôn cả thì yên chỉ cho chơi ở yên nhẹ thì nó yên mà phát thanh là thì rồi cho nên không nên nó xử thì cũng như ở lại nó yên nhớ tao thì thầu nhiều họ biết sĩ thảo được sĩ thảo đi cha đó chứ mà nếu như feel tao thì cũng đi lumika yên better get better nếu như dùng đồ cũ nếu như mà phát thanh này giờ đó họ thì cũng stop một cái họ tự chế cũng cái được cũng tôi khen thiệt cũng rất cái là chuyện này nhỏ rồi chứ mà đi mà cầu lên được xứ thì tụi mình tụi mới chơi xong lo giờ chơi đi rồi thì how old is he now 1 year and
18 months.
18 months
Year and a
mà
half
cầu
almost.
đi chỉ họ ý xong đi chả 18 months chứ cầu gì đi à chỉ ý xong đâu mẹ nha vậy tụi mình tự sao bỏ nếu bố mong bé món của tụi mình tự luôn bé món hôm mình tự kiến cử nó mình tự kiến cử luôn mình cái do Maxson của tụi chị luôn bé hôm Marco họ của luôn bé hôm đi thôi.
What did you finish?
Not finish. I just say what he name and your name, and then my name.
Okay, so I know that's the end of that part.
Hi, Thia, cô sáu cho đó cô cho vui số tụi này là subscriber của Thia là comment cho họ của họ YouTube channel này ạ. Google subscribe hay Thia của họ subscriber nên dây sai Charlie cho họ Thia กูสาชิโซ่เดียนหนึ่งอยู่วันนี้ subscribe กูใช้หมดเลยน้อยอย่างเดียกูพยายามอยู่เตะเท่าที่ได้ขอกูเตะต่อแล้วขอเด็กกูชอบมีอยู่ที่จีช่วยคงได้เจเตะถ้วยกูเขาชิงกาเชียนในโชว์ลูมิกากูเขาชิงกาเชียนกูชุนน้องกูตัว husband กูเตะเตะโชว์แล้วในสถานที่ที่有一点没得好 question 呢，你其中这个今年这个没得里头，那就好点。有嘛有啥negative 是要的，有其啥个每一朋友来了，人有就后面这了报的呀，你只有 negative 就好那呀，这其中了就朋友这个啥还我觉得个有朋友我那一次年过了要把手个 subscribe 过了要。把share 晒个里 video 当的喏，这个嘛里拍一下我 video 个用多好贴，讲到到天好我到这领的时候嘛，你心情呢？这领的时候嘛，领情呢多找了带 video 拜。
Need a haircut soon. Need a haircut soon. Cut tomorrow.
Because the coronavirus, you cannot go cut your hair.
You can cut mine and Max's hair.
I don't know to cut. I use
Just-
the scissor.
Just do the same.
Do the same here. And leave the top long.
Yeah.
Same Max. I do spot hair for you too.
No. Oh, you can maybe. Maybe for a few days.
I make you look like Max and spot hair too.